Multiply 18.5 by 15.5 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 8 plus the carried 2 is 42. Put 2 in this column and carry 4. 5 times 1 plus the carried 4 is 9. The first partial product is 925. Now use the tens digit, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 8 plus the carried 2 is 42. Put 2 in this column and carry 4. 5 times 1 plus the carried 4 is 9. The second partial product is 9,250. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. The third partial product is 18,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 2 plus 5 plus 0 is 7. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 2 plus 5 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 9 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, 1 plus the carried 1 is 2. The whole negative number product is 28,675. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 28,675 becomes 286.75. So 18.5 times 15.5 is 286.75.